The Simpson Strong-Tie Quick Drive Project Pro screwdriving tool is easy to set up and use. First, attach the driver motor. Pull down on the stabilizer arm until the strap is level with the battery. Then, fasten the strap around the battery. Now, tighten the stabilizer arm grip. Project Pro works with strips of Quick Drive collated fasteners that are 1 5/8 to 2.5 inches long. Load a strip of fasteners into the auto feed track, arrow first. Set the driver motor to forward. Then position the nose piece, pull the trigger, and press down smoothly to drive the screw. Check to see that the screw is driven to the proper depth. If you need to make a change, rotate the depth adjustment dial. Then you're ready to drive more screws. To learn more, visit strongtie.com/projectpro or call 800-999-5099.